Yes? It's Daniel, sir. Can we talk? Come in. Have you seen the market today? What about it? It's down big, sir. Yep. Just another red day. What else should I know about this? Well, it's down 11%. That's pretty big. Shouldn't you say something? So, what do you want me to say? That it's another red day and investors should buy and hold and invest for long term and practice the bull mentality and not panic, and that the market goes up and it goes down and it was once up and now it's down. What else should I say? That people should not buy high and sell low? Sure, that'd be great. I've already said that, Daniel. How many more times do you want me to say the same thing over and over again? How many more times should I say buy and hold? Invest for long term. Invest in what you know, understand, believe in, and hold for long term. I've said that in every video. How many more times do you want me to say it, Daniel? Lincoln, excuse me, sir. Isn't this what you do? When the market's down, you come out and you reassure your audience that everything's gonna be fine. That the market goes up and down. Isn't that what you want to keep doing? Shouldn't you keep going out there and reassuring your audience that they'll be just fine to just keep buying and holding? You know what, Daniel? You're right. You're completely right. But how many more times can I keep saying the same thing? I can't keep saying it over and over again. I understand, sir. I'll go out there and I'll find a quote from one of the great long-term investors and share with the audience today so that they can stay calm and continue to invest for long term, since you're obviously too tired to go out there and to say something to reassure your audience. Okay. Since that's all, thank you, sir. Wait. Yes, I have an idea. I'm listening. What if we made a video saying that I quit the stock market because I can't take the volatility anymore? That I'm tired of the fluctuations in the market? That I'm still up 5x, 5 times where I started in the last year, but these recent 10% dips are insulting my ego. That I thought that I would become a millionaire overnight. That's what I expected from all those 10x videos that I saw on YouTube. All those 10x, 100x in a month, 5 months videos that all those YouTubers put out. I expected to be rich right now. But the market keeps going down. Sir, are you okay? Yeah, I'm feeling great about this. Aren't you afraid people are going to believe that you actually quit investing in the stock market? Nah, my real audience is way too smart for that. You can't get through to everyone, Daniel. My true audience of long-term bullish investors will get a great laugh from all of this. Okay, it's risky, but it might just work. Oh, one more thing. Don't say it. I'll end it with a song. Please, no. Yes, a song about how the suits keep screwing over the retail investors and how Dogecoin was up 100x in the last day and now it's down. No. How GameStop was doing just great with all the short squeezes and the retail investors are winning, but then the suits step in and shut down Robinhood. And we all started losing. We didn't get rich overnight.
The YouTube
how we expected to keep going up and up and up to the moon.
Please,
and stay there forever.
You're gonna get
the
demonetized.
Song will be a great touch to the end of this video.
Your subscribers are going to leave you.
If they stay to watch it, great. If they don't, no harm, no foul.
Oh no, I'm sweating just thinking about this.
Those who stay will get a good laugh, and those who don't stay won't see me embarrass myself on YouTube. It's a win-win. What do you think, Daniel?
Anything but that.
You love it? It doesn't matter. Thank you, Daniel. I appreciate you coming in here and motivating me to get out there and speak to my audience to help them keep going. Thank you. Let's get this done.